guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the March Lashy box. So, like always, this is the first one I get for the month because they always send them right out at the first. So I always like that about them, that they're not slow. Because I would think this month with BoxyCharm that they would go ahead and send out the premium because they're all the same. But it's today's the 6th, no email, no nothing. But I just thought, since everybody was getting the same thing from Fenty Beauty, that we would all get, they'd go ahead and ship them out once they cleared. But no. So this is a monthly, well, if I can get it out, a monthly lash subscription. It does cost $12.99 a month plus shipping and handling. You get 3 to 5 pairs of lashes. Normally, I get 4 pairs and a couple of makeup items. I did notice they do have a new box. It's around $25, I want to say. And I don't know if they charge shipping on it or not. But I seen it maybe about a week ago. It's called a premium box. And it's going to have more lashes, more makeup items, bigger full-size items, which is kind of cool. A cute little box. But I'm really happy with this one. So I don't really think that I need to get any more lashes because the 4 does me anyway. So here is the inside of the box. And we got 2 pairs of the Lashy Box lashes. They are 3D silk lashes. This one is, let me take the thing off. It'd be easier to see. And this one is called All Nighter. I like that. I like the way they're shaped. So, I know I'm going to like these. And the next one is called Boss Babes. I feel like I've got these before, but I'm not really for sure. And right here they are. I do like them too. So far, both pairs of lashes I'm happy with. Okay, so these are different lashes than we normally get. These are fabulous lashes. They're 3D Flux Mink lashes. And these are the Cara Beauty. Let me take them out. I do like them. They're pretty thick. They say 82. I don't know why. Right here. So, I really like them. They're really fluffy. So I like them. So this is I think the first time they've ever been in the Lashy box. And we also got another pair of the Fabulous Lashes by Cara Beauty. They're also 3D Flux Mink lashes. And they are A1. So maybe that's their style, A1, A2. And it does give you directions on the back how to use them. I like these lashes too. I do notice they got pretty thick bands on them. Which that's what really helped me when I first started wearing lashes. And I had trouble applying Huda Beauty lashes. I really liked them. But couldn't get I don't know, I had a lot of problems. Today, I've got Huda Beauty lashes on, but I don't have that problem. The thicker lashes band actually helped me, but I don't know. So I do like them. And I don't have to cut all these down to sizes because they're always a lot bigger than my lash line. Okay, so now we're ready for the makeup time. And this is by Naked Cosmetics. And it's their glitter. Which I really didn't need no more of the eyeshadows. I've got a bunch of, I got a shelf full of glitter eyeshadows. I've got a bunch of these Naked Cosmetic ones and all different colors and stuff like that. And I really don't need no more of them. So, which I really didn't need no more glitter because I've got enough glitter. And I don't really wear it anymore, so So it's just like, you would have to use a glitter glue to get that to stay on. It is very pretty. It's got like all the colors in it. It kind of like shifts. I'm not going to say it's, I think it's iridescent. I don't believe it's hollow. It could be. No, it's got different colors. Okay. But I mean, I've got glitters like this one is pretty much the same thing. And they're just, I've got like all kinds of glitters, and I just don't personally wear them anymore. They're really pretty. I just don't ever find the occasion to wear a lot of glitters, even though I have them. Now, with my shimmer eyeshadows up there, I do wear them. I just don't ever reach for the glitters no more. And the last thing that is actually in the box is by Beauty Creations, and it's the Unicorn Tears. It's a liquid holographic highlighter. And it is right here, which is very pretty. Now, I will get more use out of something like this, because I'm actually wearing one today, just not this brand. Huh. Okay, so it's got a dopper. It seems like it works. Some of them does, some of them don't. Okay, so I think I got enough out. So here it is, and that is so pretty. So I do like that, and it's mixed in with that glitter, of course. So I do like that. And I'll get more use out of something like this than I will the regular glitter. Because I don't know, by the time you got to take the glitter glue, get it on, and stuff like that, it just takes a lot of time. I think I'm trying to get a cold. That's what's wrong with my voice today, is I've been out all week, and it just seems like I'm getting a cold. But I ain't had one in a while, so I guess I'll let it run its course. But that is it. That's everything for the box this month. I am really happy with it. Even though I'm not going to get much use out of the glitter, I might maybe start using it again. I don't know. I know I'll use the Unicorn Tears. I'll use all the lashes. I actually love lashes. They're like my favorite thing anymore. And I'm really I cannot wait to wear these. Now these this month, the A2 by Cara Beauty Fabulous Lashes was actually my favorite this month. But now I do like the Boss Babes, but I want to think that I do have a pair of these. I'm not really sure. I'd have to go through there and look, but right now I've got to find a new place to put lashes, because my drawer of lashes is overflowing and are all over the vanity. I got them in other things, and the drawer you can't hardly open and close. It's horrible. So I'm gonna have to find a new place to put my lashes. I'm thinking about, I got some of these and I like spray painted them black. I'm thinking about hanging them on the shelf to my vanity, and maybe like with these, like I could just put them on like that. I don't know. I gotta find something to do with them, because they are like everywhere, and there's no room on my vanity because of them. And then I've got them in like little things. I don't know. And another thing, I was gonna do the giveaway this week, but I've been like really busy. I've had to like run all week. So Monday I will have that video up about who won the highlighters. So stay tuned for that. And I guess that's it. And if you guys would like to try Lashy Box for yourself, they do have different types of boxes. They don't just have like this one. They have like a drama, lash box for people who likes the really big lashes. I get the mixed lashes because I like them. I like drama and I like those small lashes. And then they've got like an all lash box. Now they have like the bigger box, but I will leave the link down below if you'd like to try it for yourself, and you'll save like 10% off if you use my link. But I guess if that's it, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye for now.